Hi, everybody. I hope you're doing okay. This is Ms. Roberts, if you've forgotten who I am, but I want to see how you're doing on your papers with the rough draft due tomorrow. So I want to make sure that you've done some research, you've found out information about your climate zone, and we have some information in a website and several websites that you can use. If you're stuck, you need to let us know. But the first thing you do when you have done some research, or even before that, for information that you know, is to brainstorm. Now, here's an idea. If, for example, if you're doing arid dry climate zone, you might do some bubbles. So put some things that you know. So arid dry. Okay, because in your paper, they've given you some ideas of things to write, and this is on the second page of this packet. So it says that you have an introduction. So figure out how I'm going to get these people into my paper. How is it going to be interesting? What can I tell them about it? So think about that first with your introduction. But then go through and figure out what your thesis is. What do you want to tell everyone? What is the point of what I'm writing? What's the reason? That's your thesis. Like with arid dry, it is arid. That means not very much rain, not very much precipitation, and it's dry most of the time. So think about what that means when you're looking at the different parts of your climate structure. Then the second paragraph, according to here, is put the name of the climate region, where it is, and find a city, a continent, the latitude, and so forth. So when we did the brainstorm, this person chose Cairo, Egypt. So think about things about Cairo, Egypt that you know. It is pretty dry. I've been there. It's not a lot of rain, but they do get rain because they have floods of the Nile River. So figure out that. Do they get snow? Is it hot? What is it like? So you want to put the city, what's there. Now this person said, oh, the Sahara Desert is in that climate zone. Okay, and then the latitude and what continent it's on, what region of the earth. Okay, so that's first. You figure out that paragraph 1. Then paragraph 2, the average summer and winter temperatures. So that's my one at the top, the summer temperatures, winter temperatures. When does the precipitation fall? What kind of precipitation do you get? What kind of seasons do you have? So that's paragraph 2. Then paragraph 3, different types of plants and animals. And you can see that we put some over here, animals. He had one, was a camel. What kind of plant? Cactus? Not sure. You'll have to do your research and see what's there. So that's the structure of it. Then you do a conclusion. You're going to wrap everything up, what you learned, and then do a thesis closing statement of what did I learn from this? What do I know about this? What is it? Okay, that's your outline, your brainstorm. Then you plug it into your outline. So take what was in the first, put your introduction, what your thesis statement is. That's first. You write it out, type it out, whatever you're doing. It needs to be typed. Then your first paragraph is going to cover the name of the climate region. So that goes under A. A. Number 1A. What's in the climate region? What is it called? What countries? What continents? Then B is going to be your second paragraph, the summer and winter temperatures, precipitation, things like that. That's what you're writing in there. Then 3 is going to be the types of plants and animals. You have an A for plants, B for animals. And then conclusion, restate your thesis from the top, summarize what you've said, and wrap it up in a neat little package. That's your outline. Then you take your outline and you're going to write your paper. But it's really easy now because you have all this information kind of organized for you, which I'm not right now. So you take your introduction, that's the first thing you write. Your thesis statement should be first. Get it in there so we know what you're talking about. Then your first paragraph after that will be the first thing that you wrote in your outline. The second paragraph, the second thing you wrote. The third paragraph, the third thing in your outline. And then your fifth, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, your fifth paragraph is your conclusion, and you wrap it all up, summarize it, get your thesis statement in again, and then figure out what you really learned about for that one. So that's what I need to get tomorrow is your rough draft. You should have already turned in this one, which is your brainstorming, and your outline. Now I'm ready to see your rough draft. And rough means it's not smooth. You've done what you need to do to pull everything together. I will go over it, give you some suggestions, then you'll rewrite it and turn it in next week on Friday. So if anyone's having difficulty, please let me know because I haven't heard back from very many people. I've gotten one rough draft and that's it. So hope to see you online. Thanks, bye.